Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix TikTok video not showing and not playing problem. So first of all we need to update our TikTok app. To do that, go to your Play Store and search here TikTok. If you see any update available here, then update your TikTok app and then open your TikTok and check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to log out from our TikTok account and then we need to relog in into our account and then check the problem if fixed or not. The third solution is we need to clear our TikTok app cache files. To do that, open your phone settings, search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that, tap on TikTok, storage usage, clear cache, clear data, and now open your TikTok, relog in into your account and check the problem if fixed or not. And the fourth solution is we need to uninstall our TikTok app and we need to reinstall it. So uninstall TikTok and go to Play Store, search your TikTok and reinstall your TikTok app and check the problem if fixed or not. And the last and final solution is we need to use older version of TikTok. So for that, open your browser, search here older version of TikTok, open this first link, scroll down, and from this list you can download any older version. Just tap on the version name which you want to download and tap on this download button and install the TikTok app, and that's how we can fix this problem. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.